Oh, I'm still sick. I'll be on YouTube. I'll still post on Instagram. I thought I'd look a little bit more presentable today, because I've been still look like this even if I'm not sick. I don't know why, but I like to pack on a lot of serums. You know, I really hope that TikTok doesn't get banned. Just nothing else like the TikTok algorithm, even though it's messed up right now. Almost fell backward. I was gonna do that face thing. Ooh, ooh. My laundry's done. Maybe I should have put it on my eyes, my lid. Ooh, what the hell? Oh, it has like some kind of tint to it. Actually, it looks kind of nice by itself. I'm gonna let that sit. Remember if I press record? Okay, I did. It's like ringing in my head. I'm gonna try to do my makeup without a mirror. Well, I am using a mirror, but like a mirror right close to my face. Oh god, this is out too. What the hell? Huda Beauty. Is it pronounced Huda or Huda? Oh shoot. This little hair is like bothering the crap out of me. Okay, let me try something here. You're just gonna blend some of this out. I've been watching a lot of eyeshadow tutorials. I think the yellow right in the inner corner doesn't work well. Color here, just put it right on top. Yeah, that looks better. Oh, I just touched my eyeball. On top. Oh. This is kind of like, well, this is a brow liner. I think it's too soft. Maybe not. Like some red eyeshadow right on my nose bridge here. Smoke it out a little. Doesn't do much. These are very natural lashes. I got these lashes at Marshall's. I wanted to get like a natural pair or natural style. So they kind of look like my real lashes. If I had any, I'd use this foundation today. Just gonna do that much kimchi brush here to distribute it. Lightly tap right in the middle here, so I don't mess up my brows. No, I let my skin prep sit while I did my eyeshadow, and I think it's looking pretty good. I like this brush. It's very dense, so I can get pretty close to my brows, the outside, the outline of my brows without really messing it up. Let's see, take it off and I'm gonna get my concealer and just put a little bit right here and on my nose and on my chin and under my nostrils. Brush here. I'm going to dab right under my eyes. Usually I go really close to my waterline here, but I'm not gonna do that today. You know, lightly dab. I'm gonna use some of that product and dab it on my forehead. And in between my eyebrows and my chin. I'm not going to use too much contour today. A little bit on my forehead here. I'm gonna go in with a pinky blush. It's very light onto the cheekbones. I forgot to contour my nose. Just do a light contour on the nose. Oh no, my baby. Huh. I like these. They're very creamy. Oh. What the? This ain't even the same color. Is it? No, it's not. Odd. This one's not either. I'm like, what the hell? All of this stuff. You don't know.